Adelaide, the capital of South Australia, is a civilised and calm city that is home to around 1 million people. A diverse range of landscapes surround the city, including green parkland, the Mount Lofty ranges and coastal beaches. Referred to as the wine and festival capital of Australia, Adelaide is a great place to experience the culture and convenience of a nice-sized city without many of the frustrations of a larger city. Adelaide is surrounded by parklands, together with a range of historic buildings, wide streets, various street cafes and restaurants and shops of all descriptions. Walking is a popular way to enjoy the city. Adelaide city centre has been well planned and is made up of a grid of streets and various squares. The main street, King William Street, runs directly from north to south of the city through Victoria Square, which is at the heart of the city. Adelaide is bursting with culture, flavors, events, and entertainment. Taste the world-famous wine regions only minutes from the city or indulge in award-winning restaurants in the heart of Adelaide. Join the party at our immersive festivals and events or spend the night exploring Adelaide attractions and a thriving restaurant and bar scene.